All right, here we are, another day, another discussion. Today's a Friday, and just wanted to take the time to explain what a good credit score really means. I think, if you're not really paying too much attention to your own credit score or how important it is, um, maybe this video will help you out and show you, to give you just a glimpse of what it really can do, because your credit score, it really means so much. There's a lot of opportunity out there if you have a good credit score, as opposed to if you have a bad credit score. And I've noticed since I've been doing this business that there's a lot of people that really don't pay attention too much to their own credit score, and they really have no idea the good, the bad, and the ugly that's on it. And I just wanted to share with you that, you know, um, it's a good thing to have a good credit score. And when you do that, opportunities come up. And I'll explain to you a few reasons why that having a good credit score can improve your finances and also just improve your opportunities to do other things that you may not realize you can do. For example, having a good credit score is going to get you approved for loans and mortgages, right? If you're in the position where you think that you might want to buy a house, or that you maybe you're renting and you're thinking someday I would just love to have this house for yourself or for your family, you're going to need to apply for a loan unless you have all the cash to put it down, but most people don't. So with that said, you're going to most likely need to borrow money for the loan. And typically, when you purchase a house, ideally you want to put 20% down on the value of the house and you borrow 80%. That's ideal. And the reason why you want to put 20, because it avoids the PMI, the mortgage insurance that usually insurance companies are going to require, because they want you to have skin in the game. They want you to have an investment in the house, that they're actually loaning you money. So they will be willing to loan you 80%, but you need to come in with 20%. But with that comes the approval. You need to be approved for that 80% loan of the house. And you will most likely get approved if you have a good credit score. If you have a bad credit score, you will most likely get denied. And that's where you don't want to be. You don't want to be denied for this opportunity to purchase a home and get a loan and a mortgage. You don't want to be denied that, because it's a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of time spent buying a house. It can take a toll, and it can be stressful while being fun at the same time. It's exciting to buy a new house, but there's a lot of stress involved. And to eliminate a lot of the stress is you don't want to get denied on a home mortgage. And so with that, good credit score will give you that opportunity to get approved. Now with a better credit score, you can actually qualify for financing when you need it, like now, when you need it most. That's good. That's one of the key advantages. And another reason why you want to have a good credit score, especially for when you're buying a house, is that you're going to pay less on insurance. The better your credit score is, the less the insurance rate is going to be. The worse your credit score is, the worse the interest rate is going to be. For example, if you buy a house now, the going interest rate is, I didn't check right now what the going interest rate is, but let's just say it's like 7%. So that would be ideal, right? That's the going rate. So you want to qualify for that best rate, which would, at this moment in time, would be about 7%, 6 or 7%. Well, to get that 6 or 7% interest rate on your mortgage loan, you need to have good credit score. Now, if you have a semi-good credit score or a bad credit score and you actually do get approved, you might get approved, but your interest rate is going to be higher. It could be 10 or 11%, 9, 10, or 11%. So that's a huge difference in your mortgage payment, your monthly mortgage payment, and especially over time, it's a huge difference. So you want to take advantage of the best opportunity for you, which is going to be good interest rate, because you have good credit. So that's going to help you out in that terms, as far as applying for a home loan, right? You want to get approved and you want to get the best interest rate. Okay, another benefit of having good credit score is greater financial freedom, right? A good credit score a good credit score can give you more control over your finances and your future. Does that make sense? Because if you have good credit, you have more ability to get business funded, start a business, get a loan, get a car, right? When you're ready to move forward on a item that you're trying to purchase, a good credit score, you don't have to worry about that. A lot of people wait to the last minute, when they need to get a car like today, but they never check their credit score. And then so what's happening is, well, we need to fix your credit score first. That could take a while, and then you can go and purchase your car. But if you are on top of it now, have a good credit score now and maintain a good credit score. So when you're ready to start that business, when you're ready to buy this vehicle, when you're ready to purchase your home, you already have that squared away and you're ready to go. You're good to go. And that's going to be the benefit of having a good credit score, is because you don't have that stress. That's just another thing you got to worry about. If you're going to try and buy a house and you start applying, if you get denied, then one of the reasons is because your credit score is bad. Well, now you got to work on your credit score. So that's another stressful item. So if you take care of it now, then when you're ready to go, that's one less stress out of your life, trying to bring up your credit score. If we take care of it now, then it's going to just be a benefit. So those three things that we mentioned that are a benefit to a strong credit score is you get approval, right, for homes and mortgages. That's going to be a benefit. And then the second thing is you're going to pay less interest when you get a loan. That's a benefit of a good credit score. And then the third thing is greater financial freedom, because a good credit score is going to provide you greater financial freedom. If you're being wise with your money, you can have greater financial freedom. That's where I want you to be. And if you're not there yet and you need help with your credit and your credit score, if you have bad credit and you want to have good credit and there's challenges in the way, well, message me. My email is below. You can message me and I can respond to you. We can set up a free consultation. If you're watching this on Instagram, just direct message me and I will instantly get back to you as soon as I can, so that we can set up a time and a place where we can go over your credit profile, your credit score, and we can work on it. And if it's bad, we can bring it up. And if you have a lot of inquiries, collections, charge-offs that need to be taken off, we can do that too. And if you've never seen your credit report, just call me. We can take a look at it together, or message me. We can take a look at it together, and then we can work on building up your credit so that you have the freedom and the confidence to go buy that home, that car, start your business, whatever it is that you want to do. So I hope this helps. I hope this is a little blessing for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate that.